Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and unplug the device, remove any battery, and ground yourself to avoid static. Once done, use a small Phillips and spudger to remove the external screws and carefully lift the case. Make sure to photograph each step and label screws so reassembly is straightforward. Gently separate the housing clips. If resistance appears, check for hidden screws. You want internal access to the button assembly without forcing parts, because forcing causes broken clips that complicate the repair. With the housing open, locate the down button assembly. This may be a rubber dome, membrane, or mechanical switch. Carefully detach the connector or ribbon cable, then remove the old button while noting its orientation and any shims. Clean the contact pads with 90% plus isopropyl and a lint-free swab to ensure reliable conductivity. Install the replacement part, press it gently into place, and reconnect any ribbon. Before sealing, power on briefly to confirm tactile response and electrical continuity so you avoid reopening later. Reassembly is deliberate. Reconnect any cables, orient the housing correctly, then tighten screws in their original pattern to prevent stress. Once closed, power up and perform a full verification. Press the down button repeatedly, try rapid presses and combinations, and confirm software recognition. If the button is unresponsive, first power down and reseat the ribbon or connector, then inspect solder joints for cracks. If problems persist, swap in a second replacement part to rule out a defective component. If still faulty, consider checking the controller board for damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.